model, 2012 Ford Transit 350 medium wheelbase, diesel rear-wheel drive medium roof van TDCi 125ps body, white, panel van mileage, 135512 engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 ps TDCI-J transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Engine low on compression cylinder 2, will need repairing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, full service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,325. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.